Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we dive deep into the ins and outs of parenting and celebrating those special moments with our kids. In today's video, we are talking about yet another aspect of a topic that's close to many of our hearts, our children's birthdays. Before you go and start planning that big bash, let's take a step back and think about what we should really be keeping in mind when celebrating our child's birthday. Let's get into it. Birthdays, they are no longer just a small cake at home with family. These days, it seems like every month there's another party invitation, another present to buy, and another day spent juggling schedules just to make sure our kids can attend. So, why have birthdays become such a massive affair in today's generation? Is it the commercialization of yet another holiday? Or maybe, just maybe, we are compensating for our own childhood parties that weren't as grand. Let's be real here. Most of us can admit that some of these parties might be more about us than our kids. I mean, how many of us remember our first-year-old birthday party? Yet we all go out inviting every relative and friend. And who is it that really for? Is it for a child, or is it for us to feel like we've given them something we never had? While we want our kids to feel special on their big day, it's easy to overdo it. Ever had a child upset because a friend couldn't make it to their party? Questions like, do my friends don't like me anymore? Or why can't they skip their class for me? They are heartbreaking but common. And let's not even get started on the drama when they don't get the present they were hoping for. So, what should we do as parents? Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that you shouldn't throw a birthday party. But it's crucial to think about what we are teaching our kids with these celebrations. Are we setting them up for a disappointment later in life when big parties aren't the norm? Are we teaching them that the size of the celebration equates to their worth? Think about it. As we plan these parties, it's important to discuss with our kids why we celebrate birthdays and what they mean to us. Maybe have a chat about why they're excited. Is it the experience or the experience with friends? If it's the former, it might be time to shift the focus a bit. This reminds me of a student in my class who decided to do something special for his birthday. Let me share with you. Instead of asking for presents, he asked his friends to bring diapers to donate to a nearby orphanage. This idea came from a conversation with his parents about how many diapers his baby brother needed and how some babies at the orphanage didn't have access to enough. Yes, he was a bit sad about not having many gifts to open that day, but the joy he felt from helping others was something that stuck with him for a long time. His parents didn't force this idea on him. It was born out of meaningful conversations before the party planning even began. Birthdays are great and parties are fun, no doubt about it. But as parents, we need to ensure that our kids understand the deeper meaning behind these celebrations. We also need to be mindful of how our actions might affect others. Let me give you an example. Celebrating a birthday at an orphanage with best intentions might actually result in making those field kids more like orphans. Imagine being a child who attends birthday parties every week but never has one of their own. Over time, that can really damage their self image. I witnessed a birthday party at a shelter home where the birthday child was all dressed up while the other kids just waited in their regular clothes for the goodies. It was a stark reminder that even good intentions can have unintended consequences. So, what do we take away from all of this? Well, in my last video, we talked about why it's great to celebrate birthdays. And today, we looked at how sometimes these celebrations may not have the desired effect. In my next video, I'll be sharing some meaningful and purposeful ways to celebrate your child's birthday that go beyond the material and make a lasting impact. Remember, birthdays are a time to reflect on growth, lessons learned, and the beauty of life. Let's make sure our kids understand that too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out my next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.